Welcome to this tutorial, which looks at how to use favorite selections within the new data selection process introduced in Pronto 6.0. Favorites are simple collections of data streams that you frequently use together and so may like to be able to select in one go. This new set of buttons here allows you to add, delete and rename favorites, and favorites are stored in the favorites folder here. As a very basic example, I could select the RMS and transient voltage data streams on channel 1, which I may want to graph regularly, say. Now I'll save this selection as a favorite by clicking on the Add New Favorite button. A new favorite would be added to the favorites list, and I'm given the opportunity to give it a new name. If I quickly create another favorite, you can see how favorite selections interact. I'll select the RMS voltages on a number of channels, including channel 1, but no transients. This will give me some overlap with the other favorite I've just added. Now you can see that multiple favorites can be selected, and any data streams in any of the selected favorites are then selected. Deselecting a favorite then deselects any data streams that were only in that favorite. So in this example, I could deselect the first favorite, phase AN voltages, but all RMS voltages are still selected, even the one on channel 1, as they're part of the RMS voltage favorite. Now, a couple of points of note. Selecting the first favorite clears the main list of any data streams not in that favorite, so you don't have to click on the Clear Selection button first. And as just shown, selecting additional favorites adds to the selection. If you then select or deselect streams individually from the main list, the favorites become unchecked because they are no longer fully representative of what is selected. Play around with the selection and it'll become clear. Now, as well as the blue favorites we've created, there are also 3 persistent favorites in light grey. These favorites can't be deleted, renamed or selected in conjunction with other favorites. They are in fact just shortcuts. The first one to selecting all data streams in the list. Second one, no data streams in the list. And the third one, the data stream selection from the last time the list was used. Favorites can be renamed and deleted and are automatically saved to reappear in the list next time you open Pronto or start an analysis assistant such as a graph assistant that uses this data list. And that's it. Thanks for watching this tutorial.